Nagaland Football Association ra aji FIFA referees logot first referees conclave organized krishe conclave to Hotel Vivor Kohima Ralushe gude FIFA referees kando Ranjita Devi Dekjam FIFA referee aro FIFA assistant referees Riolang Tar aro Dipela Devi Ilangbam tagishe conclave ti referees laka roles are importance super kotakrishe details saisam.
Today, I would like to welcome our most special guest, FIFA referees. Ms. Riolang Dar, who was the best FIFA assistant referee for the year 2024-25. Ms. Debala Devi Elangam, who is also a FIFA assistant referee. And Ms. Ranjita Devi Tekcham, who is a FIFA referee and who was also awarded the best All India Football Federation referee for the year 2024-25. And we also have the presence of Ms. Lenika Thar, who is with us. So we welcome you too. And I also take the pleasure to welcome, on behalf of the Nagaland Football Association, the presence of Sri Ketosikyo Sekose, NCS and Director of Youth Resources and Sports Nagaland in our midst. And we welcome Reverend Atu Huri, Pastor Baptist Mission Church into our midst. And we also welcome and acknowledge the presence of Mr. Kelly Kije, President of Nagaland Taekwondo Association and Nagaland Contractors and Suppliers Union, and Mr. Katsu, Assistant General Secretary General of Nagaland Olympic Association, and also Mr. Kibimuto Sekose, the head of referee of Nagaland. And lastly but not the least, we also welcome the presence of our media friends in our midst today, and above all, we welcome all the participating referees into our midst today for this first referees conclave with FIFA referees.
A piece of advice to all my colleagues, especially the referee: believe in yourself and your ability. Every great referee starts somewhere. Keep working hard. Enjoy the game, learn from mistakes, and have fun. Your dedication and passion will take you far. Support your friend, communicate, and officiate with heart. Don't be afraid to challenge a new thing. Celebrate your success and learn from your mistake. You are a part of a team. Work together toward victory. Being great, dream big, play bigger. Give it your all, leave everything on the field. To be the best or to be on the top, you need to work an extra mile. Have courage, work hard with commitment to face the challenge. It is up to you to have a strong determination to excel in your given talents. Just because something is difficult doesn't mean it is impossible. The best for tomorrow is doing today. Together we can solve. Thank you. Before I get done, we'd like to say thank you to a few of our colleagues. First, we'd like to acknowledge our head of referee, Kibimuto Sekose. After he being on the charge, he is able to produce 140 plus referee. And they would like to say thank you.
Football, as you know, has been played in our state and in our country for over, more than hundreds of years now. And we, as a country, had sent probably our first team to the Olympics, led by none other than Dr. T. Ao, who hails from Nagaland. And in his name today we are organizing the Dr. T. Ao Inter-District Tournament. On behalf of my department, I would like to express our gratitude to Nagaland Football Association, led by its president, who has been able to put our case to the All India Football Federation to name the Junior Girls National Tournament into Dr. Tiao Junior Girls National Tournament. We are very grateful for that, and we are so happy about that. In the name of Dr. Tiao, we have been organizing various functions. We had the centenary some few years back, his birth centenary. We also had the Northeast Dr. Tiao, which unfortunately has not been happening for quite some time now. Hopefully, it will take off again in the days to come with the active participation of the Nagaland Football Association and every fan of football. The government is also quite committed to promoting this beautiful game. And in this regard, the government has already started the Nagaland Super League, which we had witnessed about 6 months ago. And we have 7 teams. Hopefully in the next edition we'll have more teams. 3 days back I was talking to our president, Football Association, and he was telling me that there are times when the earnings of a referee is much higher even than the players in some games. And that we have to acknowledge. The game of football is not only about the player, it's about the referee, it's about the coach, it's about the support staff, and so many other things. Career opportunities are abound. And I think our state today, while introducing the referee, I'm sure there are some other more referees who are much more qualified. And I've seen that most were either 6 or 7 levels. And I believe you have the potential to go beyond that. We have referees who are at level 1 also. We have referees at 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Unless you reach 5, probably you'll not be able to officiate in national level tournaments. And I would like to impress upon each of the referees who are here, particularly from my state, to go further, to go beyond level 6, go to level 5, 4, and maybe with your presence today, that we are going to be encouraged to even reach FIFA level referees. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for inviting me to this program, and may God bless each one of you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
So, before I start the presentation and all, is it okay for you if I call my friend Ranjita upstage? Because normally in a referee career, referee first and assistant will come. So I want my friend to come up with me so that she can speak first regarding all these things. I can help as assistant. I will help her. I will assist her.
Okay, thank you. Okay, first of all, I want to say. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, I want to say thank you for Nagaland Football Association for inviting Dr. Tiao Trophy and then especially this program. First referee conflict with FIFA referees and especially sir, it's a very big opportunity to giving for all FIFA referees, for the meet all Nagaland referees, officials. Again, I want to say thank you. And a referee, what is the role of the referee? Referee is the very good job, but some people don't know how to do the referee duty, and then no respect. I understand, but I don't care about what he thinking or she thinking. This is not my job. But what I will do, only I will decide my duty. I will go forward. If I listen back word or something, then I cannot go up. Leave it. Forget it. Whatever he say or she say. But if you think some good word, just listen. Don't speak more. Just listen. Referee first priority is the fitness test. Fitness is the very important first. No fitness test fit, then 90 minutes cannot do the match. First priority. Second is the laws of the game. If you know laws of the game, not only must be, but if you don't have the management, then cannot. Always then laws of the game apply, then maybe 90 minutes will play maybe 20 to 25 minutes, maybe only. Because law say kicks an opponent and attempt to kick. Attempt to kick means no contact. How can I give the foul? But law say, but we manage the everything. We try to avoid less whistle and try to play more.
So, like what Ranjita said, I don't have much to say, but firstly, I want to thank Mr. Sikho, the president. You know, I met him in Bhubaneswar. We met him during the award ceremony in Bhubaneswar, and after the ceremony, we met him in the lobby, and he said, when we are going to have a tournament in Nagaland, we want you two to come there. And I'm happy he keep his promise, and we also we are happy because it's not about the game or anything. We want here, more importantly, we want to be with the referees and to share what maybe they need something from us, especially regarding the laws of the game and the experience what we have received. Because I know sometimes in the association, some of the association, we don't have good referee or good RA. As you know, from Meghalaya, we don't have RA yet so far. So sometimes I help the junior. I became like an acting RA to them because I want to teach. I want to share my knowledge that I've received. Thank you, Mechi also. He's the one who always communicate me with everything regarding to prepare to come here. So thank you for that. And as we said, as Ranjita, because here you asked, the program said you want to know the rules, the role of the referees. It's okay, I think they can hear me without the mic because I saw everyone are staring at me. And thank you, actually, when we reach here, I didn't expect it like to be so grand. We feel like a celebrity now. You invite us here, and I'm kind of nervous also to speak, in front of everyone. If just referee, I'm excited because every time I'm with referee, I feel like a family with them. I'm very, feel free to talk with them, but with, with people who are very, like from the association, I'm kind of nervous, but somehow okay. I'm trying to come, not to reach to hospital. Okay, jokes apart, I'm very kind of talkative sometimes, and I try to be a very jokey type also. I don't want to be the meeting to be very boring as well. And I don't want to talk much about the rules and about everything Ranjita already covered. But the only thing I can share you, it's not like just about the referee. Sometimes, people, they only see the referee because every time the camera will focus on the referee. But it's very hard for assistant. More important for me, I think, for me, assistant is more difficult job than referee. So you don't know anything. The referee, when they give decision, before anything happen, something happen, assistant help. If, I think most of you watched the match yesterday, I think you see some situation, I didn't raise my flag because we use communication. I never used to raise my flag during the game if we have a good communication because I'm the assistant. My main thing is to assist my referee. My priority is to help her. So every time, when I see any fault, I give it to her to give decision. I don't want to be like, to be the superstar. I want to be her, the superstar. So we are like, what to say? It's like in a movie, the movie when the superstar, they are shooting, when they want to jump, not the hero will jump, right? They have what they call it. Yeah, they have a stunt hero to jump. So we are like them only, we are supporting referee. And it's very, very important because, in the game, we have 3 teams in a game. One is a team A and team B, and we are team 1. We are not team 3, okay? We are team 1. So in a game we have to be very like a team. They do all the things in teamwork. Same thing for referee as well. If we don't have teamwork in the game, we will spoil the game. You know, we have to have a good communication, and we have to know how to communicate between referees as well. When I know in here you don't have communication, but before the match you should prepare well and do the good debriefing with your teammate, so that in the game you can let the game flow very well. And that's all regarding the game and all. So it's like Sir said, regarding the referees and all. If you have a good referee and all, referee, we are like a backbone of football as well, not just the team. But sometimes people, they don't appreciate us. Not people, the crowd, they don't come to watch referee. They come to watch the players. So in the game, if you did one mistake, then only they will remember you. They won't remember you if you did the good thing, and especially the team. If they lost, they will say because of you we lost. It's not because, and if they win, they won't say thank you, you make us win. They should say the same thing, right? But they will only blame us, and some people, they will say, okay, you take the bribe from them or something. Maybe in yesterday's match also, some of you, they said, oh, Kohima, they are hosting, so they will support the Kohima. No, referees, we are always neutral. We are not partiality. The only thing you can see, like we are partiality, it's not we are partiality, but we did a mistake in the game. It will happen. It's not just like.
Firstly, thank you to present today here, and especially Nagaland Football Association for inviting me. And all I covered both sister, all covered how to do maintain our fitness level, and how to do the match conducting and everything. Most of all covered both of what, and that's my experience. If you want to become a good referee, you just give to one dream and don't give up. Before I get this opportunity, before getting the national referee, just I give the national exam, and that time I'm injured for my leg. That time I'm so crying, and all sir also think I never get again come back to this position. But that time also I'm so crying, but I keep, and that time, how to say, your heart is very strong that time. That time I thought, no, I do that level, I need to this level, I do reach this level. That's what that time I thought, and I try to make my best, and I do hard work. How to say? If you dream and do hard work and don't think otherwise, and referee and other person is lifestyle is little bit different. Other person is lifestyle is, and our lifestyle is need good food and rest and something they already covered about it. Only that. Thank you.
Join me as I explore my favourite parts of the Blue Mountains. I love a good road trip, and this beautiful part of Australia is only an hour and a half west of Sydney, making it the perfect place to spend the day getting away from the hustle and bustle of the city. And to conquer this drive, I'm in the all-new Mahindra XUV 700, which for the price packs a heap of features like a sky roof, Apple CarPlay, and heaps of safety tech to keep you safe along your journey. The XUV 700 was the perfect travel buddy for my escape and made my day. Thanks for joining me on another epic Mahindra adventure.